Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients, and today you and I and this fabulous young chef Olivia will be making chia pudding. Olivia, why don't you tell us what we're going to need today?
Today we are going to need chia seeds, milk, vanilla, salt, maple syrup, and toppings of your choice.
Awesome. Are we ready to get started?
Yes, we are.
Let's go. I always say that our recipes at the Keys Ingredients are so easy, even a kid could do it. So Olivia will be taking over while I explain the ingredients we use and why we use them. Olivia, why don't you go ahead and add our milk in first. Today we're using organic coconut milk, which is a great dairy alternative for those of you who cannot tolerate dairy. And also in our program, we do eliminate dairy in the first 2 weeks. So this is a great source of a medium chain fatty acid. And now we're going to go ahead and add some chia. We can use either black or white chia. We're using the white today, and Olivia, as you can see, is whisking her chia seeds in. If she were to just dump them in, what would happen is they would clump and be almost cement-like. So as soon as the chia seed, which is a superfood, actually gets coated with the milk, it has a little gelatinous coating on there and makes our pudding smooth and creamy. So she's taking her time adding those seeds and doing a fabulous, fabulous job. Our measurements are 1 cup of milk to 1/4 cup of chia seeds. That looks great, Olivia. This is going to be our base. So we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of vanilla and salt, as well as 2 tablespoons of maple syrup to this base, and we're going to accessorize a little bit later. So Olivia, that looks great. Go ahead and add a capful of vanilla, and I will add in the maple syrup for us. We're going to do, 2 tablespoons. And this is a nice natural sweetener, unlike refined sugar. There we go. Perfect, Olivia. Vanilla gives it a beautiful flavor without adding any more sweetness. And we're going to do 1 3-finger pinch of salt, and you can go ahead and whisk that again when you're done. Chia seeds and milk together will form a very smooth, creamy pudding. However, it does need to be refrigerated. So we're going to just set our chia mix aside while we accessorize. Just like any great outfit, our chia pudding is going to get accessorized. So Olivia, what would you like? Apple pie or pumpkin pie?
I like apple pie.
Great. So we can do pumpkin, but Olivia prefers the apple. So remember, if you're using a canned pumpkin, organic is always best, but the ingredient list on this simply says pumpkin, and that's what we want to stick to. Follow your recipe on making the pumpkin one. We're just going to go ahead and use fresh apples. We're going to add in some nuts, a little bit more maple syrup, vanilla, and we're going to saute this a little bit before adding it to our mix. Whisk it in. We're going to put it in the fridge, and just like that, breakfast is ready.
Bon appetit.